Hi, I'm Elena. The Valentine's Day is coming. Surely you would like to please your loved one with something delicious and unusual. Let's cook a dessert sweet Valentine with bananas and chocolate. You'll need a silicone hot mold pan like mine. Or you can use small silicone baking cups instead. Pour the almonds with hot water. Leave them soaked for an hour. Remove the rind from the almonds. The rind is easily separated from the soaked almonds. Chop the almonds. And now let's cook a chocolate glaze for Sweet Valentine hot. First of all, prepare a water bath. Boil water in a large saucepan. Then place the smaller pan inside of that pan. Boiling water should not touch the bottom of the smaller pan. The water bath is ready. Cut or break the chocolate into pieces and put it to the smaller pan. The chocolate will melt. Then add butter or cocoa butter. Actually, it's better to use cocoa butter, but if you can't buy it, you can use butter instead. I use butter because it's really hard to find cocoa butter in Russian shops. Slowly stir the chocolate and butter to form a homogeneous mass. Take the silicone hot mold pan and cover each heart with liquid chocolate. You can use a silicone brush or your fingers to do that. Then put the silicone hot mold pan to a freezer for a few minutes to freeze the chocolate. If you see that the layer of chocolate is too thin, make one more layer. Peel the bananas and put in a blender. You can see the peach puree in my blender because I made it earlier. Put peaches and a handful of cranberries. The cranberries complement the delicate flavor of banana filling. Scroll the bananas with cranberries and peaches until a homogeneous puree. Put the chopped almonds into each chocolate heart. Fill the hearts with banana puree. Heat the chocolate in a pan on the water bath again. Pour the chocolate on the top of each heart. Put the Sweet Valentine hearts in the freezer again for half an hour. Don't freeze them more than 2 hours. Then gently exfoliate the sweet hearts from the silicone mold pan and put them on a plate. The delicious dessert is ready. Happy St. Valentine's Day!